In this video, how to get Robinhood Debit Card. I will show you step by step how to request a Robinhood Debit Card using your phone. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main menu of the app. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option called Cash or Spending. Tap this option to access spending account features. Now find the option called Get Debit Card. Tap this option to start the card request process. The app may show information about the debit card. Review the details before continuing. Now confirm your delivery address. Make sure the address is correct. If needed, edit the address before proceeding. After that, confirm the card request. Robinhood will send the physical card to your address. Delivery may take a few business days. After receiving the card, open the app again. Go to the Cards section inside the app. Tap the option called Activate Card. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. After activation, you can start using the card. This is how you can request a Robinhood debit card using your phone easily